If you remember, a few days back, I had made a video on the Kohima High Court Complex scam. This scam was of huge proportions. And in this particular case, the High Court Complex is being made, and it is continuously being made for the last a number of years. It hasn't been completed. But in this matter, a scam had been unearthed, and PWD contractors had been indicted. However, they had moved court saying that they should not be charged, or there shouldn't be a trial against them. But now what has happened is that after the Dimapur CBI court judgment, the enforcement directorate has moved against two PWD contractors. And this news is from Nagaland Tribune again, which says ED Dimapur provisionally attached immovable assets worth rupees 96 lakh of PWD contractors. It further goes on to say that this particular attachment has been made under the PMLA, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, and the persons against whom action has been taken and whose properties, immovable assets have been attached provisionally are Avituo Sekhose and Mhaleli Rio. They are both contractors of PWD Nagaland. And the EAT has initiated investigation on the basis of an FIR which was registered by the CBI, the ACB Imphal, under various sections of IPC 1860 for misappropriation of public money during the construction of the new High Court complex being constructed at Kohima in Nagaland. And the amount is supposedly 3.61 crores. This is what they have found till now. The CBI had filed charge sheet against the accused contractor, that is Avituo Sekhose, and accused engineers of Nagaland PWD, namely engineer Yapang Jamir, engineer MI Tongjok Ao, and engineer K Nikato Asumi. And they have been sheeted for offences allegedly that come under the IPC, are punishable under the IPC 1860 to the tune of 80.25 lakhs. Can you imagine? 80.25 lakhs. There's another charge sheet also. So that this is about one. And now I come to the second one. Another charge sheet was filed by the CBI against contractors Thepfu Satuo Rio, Malelio Rio, Vibiletuo Kets for committing offences punishable under section under IPC 1860. The sections haven't been mentioned, but the amount of the scam has been mentioned here for the second CBI case, which is 29.68 lakh approximately. So the ED investigation has shown that these persons had indulged in criminal activities and caused wrongful loss to the government exchequer to the extent of 29.68 lakh approximately in this second charge sheet, and 80.25 lakh approximately in the first charge sheet that I have mentioned to you. And therefore, now investigation will continue, but these gentlemen, if you remember, had moved the CBI court to discharge them and not to carry out any trial against them, which was ruled against. And therefore, now with the ED coming into the picture, but then this is ED of Nagaland, which has provisionally attached their immovable assets, the immovable assets of these persons who have been accused. Let us see how things progress. But my point goes beyond this. When is the Kohima court complex going to be completed? Because the other court complexes in the northeast have been completed, and Nagaland High Court still operates through a bench of the Assam High Court, which is really strange that even after so many years, and with the government which is in alliance with the BJP, which says that they've got a lot of development, have themselves proved to the people of Nagaland and to the country that there are scams which are happening right under their nose. It is the PWD contractors who have been indicted and then charge sheeted in these matters. What do you have to say about that? Do share this video and make sure that you speak up, not just for your rights, but also for public money, because that comes from the tax you pay. And don't say that, most of the people don't pay tax. Well, whether you buy a soap, a packet of chips, or anything, you are paying taxes. You pay tax on everything. And any tax which is paid by anybody in the country and is used for your benefit, you are responsible for it. Somebody else might be paying it. You might not be paying it according to you at this point of time. I mean taxes. But that money actually belongs to you. So whether I pay taxes or you pay taxes, that money belongs to every citizen of India. And the Naga people must be aware of their rights and aware of the corruption, the scams that are happening, and you must speak up against them. And this time we have the courts to thank, and we do have the ED to thank this time for provisionally attaching immovable assets of these PWD contractors to the tune of 96 lakh of PWD contractors. So let's see how it goes and where we are going. But a crore of rupees is not a small amount. So let's wait and watch what happens. Share this video, like it, comment on it.